My shit tweaking. Shit, we're about to blow up a basketball later on today. No cap, bruh. Quit playing with him. My mic's up. I wanna see me warm up and shit, bruh. Oh!
He got fast.
Oh! Oh! Alright, guys. So, basically, what's happening is later on today, I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit more packed, and we're gonna be bruh. We're gonna blow up the ball. So I just gotta wait for people to come. We're gonna pump that up, and then we're gonna blow that. So stay tuned, no cap. Alright, guys, drop a comment down below. How many pumps you think she can take for it to blow? Oh, zoomed in and
hey, it's 5 for the shark, I don't call this shit back.
If it pops on me, bruh, take me out.
This one. I think it's because it's body.
3.
I think he's gonna put this up. Wait, you see? Yeah, I was gonna say step on it.
10. 11. 15.
Fuck did you try your ass to get cracked? Why in the fuck did you sip it on fake water?
Imagine that shit popped in my face. Bro, it's so scary now. Coming out?
Now just slam it.
You already headed to the top. Brandon, your cousin, they all get their shit right. He get the job. Fast as fuck, boy.
Yo!
Oh! Scoot him over there. You're way too close to.
Bro, you stripping. He said, hold it. There it is.
No way!
Okay.
That shit sounds like it's gonna.
Why the fuck you take your lace purse? That shit don't look.
Oh, she's gonna be
fast as fuck, boy.
Dude, I don't know.
Should we pump it out more?
It's like.
Fuck it, let's pump it out. Hold it. I'll give it a good 2 more pumps. Bro, it's just fucking scary, dog. I feel bad for little kids, though.
Man, fuck them kids.
Hold my phone.
He said, hold my phone. He said, shit's about to get done.
Body.
Hey, yo, chill. What the f? That shit even still pop. That shit's tweaking. That shit's not hitting the ground. 8.
Oh, and a half. Almost and a half. Welcome to Jackass. Alright, I'm done.
I'm done.
Alright, what do you have to say, basketball?
Alright, so that was a fucking fail, but I can't pop this shit, bro. Is that a failed video? Gone wrong?
I'm gonna just start pumping it really fast.
Yeah, fuck it, bro. You wanna do it?
Hey, Freddie.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck? This fool.
You didn't film it!
I did.
Yes! No way, bro.
We said, we give up.
I was like, fuck this bitch, you're gonna pop your way.
No, put it aside.
Mira, the ball pop, la pata la llega, ya llegó la pinche popcorn.
Like Luke Skywalker.
Yes, sir.
Fucking aftermath, bro. She's tweaking.
Christ!
I told you once fucking Brian did it.
Bro, damn, you should have said something. Nah, but we got it. That's what counts. That's what counts.
It looks like shit.
No, he's not gonna pop. I was like, he's not gonna pop. I'm just gonna throw it.
I was like, that's what. Nobody reacted, like nobody screamed.
Damn, bro.
That's because nobody, I think, thought about it. God damn.
All of us.
Gotta get a thumbnail. No cap.